episode of the Prison Bus Conversion Series. We gotta get the bus outside. Okay, come on guys, come on. Come on. Billy, come on. Alright, now what you're looking at here is some dated footage of my efforts to paint the prison bus. Yep, at the end of last summer, I got out the pressure washer and the soap and the buckets and all that. And man, I just scrubbed that bus. I scrubbed it, washed the dirt off it, and then eventually brought it inside once it was all clean. And you'll see I got out these Scotch-Brite pads and some soft soap and scrub that bus again. Big job cleaning the bus, prepping it, putting plastic on all the windows. But you know, if you're gonna paint something, most of the work is in the prep. Most of the work is in the preparation. And a bus like this, 40 feet long, all kinds of nips and turns and curves and whatnot, took some extra prep work. And I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but you can see like the stripe is brown and then it goes black, and this is where in stencils, kind of like stickers, you can see from this angle, it reads Illinois Department of Corrections, and it's kind of blacked out in spray paint. So just like some stuff like that I just kind of want to get rid of. Not that I want to totally erase the history of being a prison bus, but you know, stuff like that I think could look a lot better. What happened is that I got it all prepped up, ready to go, and I just kind of missed my window for painting in terms of temperature. So the deal with the bus is that it is just out here now. Out here in this massive garage that we've got, undercover. It's still taped up, just like you saw. Windows are taped. Tape around all the front lights and stuff. I left the front windshield untaped so I can still pull it out and see something. But otherwise, it's kind of like a horror movie paint apocalypse preparation kind of situation out here. Basically what happened is that the paint job just got away from me. I had it prepped up, ready to go, and the weather got cold. I got really busy with work. I switched jobs in the last year, and man, I've just been swamped with my new gig. And because of those reasons, I didn't get the bus painted. Now it seems like every time I post a YouTube video, someone's asking me, give me an update on the bus. I need a bus update. So that's what this is. This is a bus update. In the first half of the video, you now know what's going on. I did a bunch of paint prep work on the bus. Second half of the video, I'm just gonna do two things. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough just to kind of, you know, give you a feel for the space and what's going on in here. And the second thing I'm gonna do is just run through some of the jobs I still have left on this prison bus conversion project. Now when I designed the bus, the main thing I was shooting for was big open space and a lot of light. So this is the massive kind of like hangout room, living room thing. You might remember this. This is a power cabinet. All the electricals are in there. This is the convertible couch that turns into a bed right here. Got my lighting system. You may remember this from the videos. These are repurposed out of some of the old aluminum that was used for the air system on the bus. And then we got just like a big old open space. Now sometimes when I'm giving people like tours of the bus, you know, we have friends over or whatever, they ask me like, what are you gonna do here? What are you gonna put in here? The answer is nothing. I'm gonna leave this bus all big and open and free. It would be easy, I think, to fill up a bus and crowd it with a lot of stuff, but I'm just totally into this kind of minimal design and the idea that this could be a kind of big space, big open space that's not cluttered out with a bunch of stuff. All right, and right now I've got all the lights fired up. So this is the LED strip over here, and another kind of repurposed channel. And there's some more LEDs back in that back hallway. I still might change those out. That might be on the to-do list. We got the heater right here cranking, putting out some warm air. And then we get into the kitchen area. AC's up here, we don't need that this time of year. Got my skylights going on, love the skylights. These are made out of that bulletproof glass or polycarbonate that was on the bus. And then obviously I've got the water turned off right now. These two switches here, one is the LED strip and the other is my water pump. So if you want water, you just flip this guy on. You've got water here and in the bathroom. All right, before we get to the bathroom, we got like the hallway stuff going on. This is storage, and I think this is gonna be mixed use storage. And then down here, this is a flip out shelf that gets you into the water tank. And then this is the fridge over here. You might remember that this is size for a Norcold fridge, but currently we just have a little, you know, like a mini fridge in here, and then some big old storage drawers. So there are really like 6 spaces on the bus. The first is that living room area you were looking at. Second is the kitchen eating area. Third is the hallway. Fourth is the bathroom. Fifth is the bedroom. And then sixth is the garage and back. So let's go check out the bathroom. All right, we got the tile shower over here. A couple things on the to-do list I'll talk about there in a second. And then this is the bathroom. So with that door that cuts across the hallway, you know, you get like a nice private space back here. It also shuts off the bedroom. It kind of makes the bedroom like a separate place from the rest of the bus. All right, then we just got the queen size bed going on and the egress escape hatch back to the garage. All right, here is my to-do list of stuff I gotta tackle on the bus. A little bit of maintenance, oil change, filters, stuff like that. Power cabinet is good and functioning if you're plugged in, but I still need to update my leisure batteries, which are trashed, and I think put a new isolator on it just to separate those batteries out from the main ones. I'm thinking about building a second chair so that there's that fold-out chair over there you can sit at, and then there'll be like one more wood chair here that'll either flip out, you know, like kind of flip out next to the table, or maybe it'll hang over here and you take it and unfold it and put it over by the kitchen table. This stuff's all good. And then the mini fridge is perfect for us right now, but there's a chance we'll convert this out to a bigger fridge. Tile is grouted, but still needs some silicone. Haven't put the knobs on, got to put a shower head on, and obviously a shower curtain. Bathroom's all good. And then there's that space underneath the bed. You saw the dogs kind of like to cruise under there. I kind of like it that way. If you were gonna put skis and snowboards, you could put them the long way. But part of me wants to build some sliding storage drawers under there. The other nice thing about those storage drawers is that for a shorter person or people, It's a little bit easier to get up on the bed if you had something to step on. All right, a lot of you guys asked for an update on the prison bus conversion, so thanks for checking it out. The next time I post about the bus, I better be putting paint on this thing. I mean, it's just gotta happen. That's not gonna be till springtime. Until then, if I do have time, I'll just try to tick things off that list and make a few updates so it's ready to roll once it's all painted.